right, I'm going to try doing 104. So in Burp, we go to the crappy login page, log in, which I've already done, and we get to vehicle details. So here, I'm already logged in. If I go to dashboard, I see this vehicle details page. Now, there's this message people were talking about earlier. It sent something to your email. You can read your email on this page here. It's another port on the server that lets you read emails. However, perhaps it doesn't. 18025, let's try it in this browser. Oh, it does work in this browser. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work in the Burp browser. So here's a lot of emails. Okay, so who am I? I am Bob2. Okay, let's see if I can find the email to Bob2. 17 minutes ago, new Bob2. This is probably it. All right. Open the email that says, welcome to Crappy, okay, for Bob2. I can search perhaps for Bob2 here. Yes, welcome to Crappy for Bob2, okay. So now I have a VIN and a PIN code. Now, find your VIN and PIN code, add a vehicle with the VIN and PIN code. So, here's the web page. I can add a vehicle. Okay, all I need is the PIN code and the VIN from here. So there's the VIN. Z to 1776. I think I got an extra space in the front of it. Okay. It still doesn't like it. 6Z ending in 776. Oh, that's goes in the next field, that's why. All right. All right, and here's the PIN code is 0341. Okay. Verify details. Okay. Vehicle saved successfully. That's good. All right. And so if I go here, I see the information about my vehicle, which is a Lamborghini. All right. Now I can refresh the location to see the actual location of my vehicle here. Refresh location. All right, and it shows me where my vehicle is. And the interesting issue is you can see other people's vehicles here. So, in Burp, find the request that did get identity vehicles location. So, that's Burp. And here's this map API stuff. Down at the end, I should have this one, looks like the long one, that ending in location. There it is. I can send that to the repeater. So this shows me the physical location of my vehicle. And I'm going to be able to find other people's vehicle here. Because we saw before, the community reveals information that it shouldn't. So if you make a new post, the recent reposts will show you other people's vehicles. So I go to the Burp browser and I make a new post in the community. Okay, and now if I examine the get recent post request in Burp, I should be able to get somebody else's vehicle information. If there are posts that contain that information and it's not all buried underneath junk, which is what might happen. Here's the posts recent is the one I want. Okay, posts recent. So the question is, in the response, do I have other people's vehicle information? Here's Bob2. And here's, I know where you are, Dave Rossi. Okay, here's various people. All right, so let's see if I can find, I was hoping to find Adam's vehicle ID. Down here, there's an ID. but I can probably just find another student's ID. Like here's David's ID, so you find an ID you can find, and just change the vehicle ID to his value. So I should be able to find his car. My car was a Lamborghini. Copy this one, go to my repeater, and put in a different ID. And where do I put it? Change the vehicle ID to his value. And where is the vehicle ID? Is it this thing? No, the vehicle ID is about a 16-character random letter. Well, I don't see the vehicle ID anywhere.
Another one and it did work out, you know.
Yeah, so where is it? I don't see it in the picture, and I don't see...
It was under response, or it was under...
No, it's not in the response. It should be in a request. It should be in the request going to identity location. Maybe I'm on the... I want the request that goes to the location. This is it. So where is the vehicle ID? Host, authorization bearer, user agent. I really don't see the vehicle ID anywhere.
I think it has you change it in that get, it's, you know, after vehicle location.
No, I don't see it. All right.
5DC, that's what I replaced right there.
In this stuff, it's not in the same format or anything. It's much longer. Or maybe it's just the end part of this. See, the vehicle ID was here, proxy. The vehicle ID was this thing, which is like 20 random letters. The vehicle ID. Oh, vehicle ID, that's it. This is the vehicle ID. That was the ID. Okay. Man. Okay, it's the vehicle ID down here. You go to the repeater there. That's what goes up here. Now I feel better. Okay. So this should tell me somebody else's vehicle ID. All right. And I'll send this one. And the response should give me the location of somebody else's car. And that is, in fact, David's car. You can tell by the name. All right. So it works. I'll just have to change the flag in this project. So I'm going to stop that recording.